Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use capture attribute in HTML to directly access your device's camera for capturing photos and videos. This is especially useful for apps that need user media input like profile picture uploads or QR code scanning. Let's dive in. So the capture attribute is a Boolean attribute that when set on an input element specifies that the user should use their camera or to capture media. So now let's dive into demo. I'll show you how to use this capture attribute using input element. So yeah, so let me create a file, HTML file. Here I'm creating capture.html, and then I'm using shortcut to generate boilerplate code, that is exclamation mark and then plus tab. So now I got the boilerplate code for HTML document. So here let me add an input tag, input, and then add attributes like type should be file, and then accept all images, and then give capture attribute. So this is to capture images. Let me add one more input element or tag to capture videos. So input and type should be same file, and then accept should use or access only video. So video, and then capture attribute. So here we have a two input elements, two input fields. The first one is for capturing images, and the second one is for capturing videos. The accept attribute specifies the type of files to accept, and the capture attribute triggers the device's camera. So let me save and then open this with live server to see how exactly it looks. See here, if you look at here, first one is for images and the second one is for file. Sorry, video. That's it. This is about capture attribute, which we can use to access user device's camera to capture user profile, image, or video. Thanks for watching.